In this video, you will learn how to add a watermark to your videos in iMovie for free. So if you want to put logo watermark on your videos in iMovie, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and today we are going to learn how to add logo watermark to videos in iMovie. Now without any further delay, let's get started. In order to add watermark to videos in iMovie, let's first open iMovie, and once iMovie opens, let's create a new project. For that, click on this plus icon and then select movie option. So we are going to create a movie project, and right now we are in iMovie movie project, and here the first thing we have to do is we have to import the video on which we want to add a watermark. So let's import this one, and once the video is imported, next we are going to import the image that we want to add as watermark. So in case we want to add logo as watermark to video, then we are going to import the logo here. We will simply click on this and drag it over here so that the image is imported in the timeline. Now you can see we have got the image over the top of video right now, but if we preview it, you will notice that the image is moving. So we have to fix that. So for that, we have to first click on this image layer, and once that is clicked, you will notice that currently cutaway style is selected here. So we will click on this drop down icon and then select the option that says picture in picture, because we want to put this picture along with the video. But when we click on that, you will notice that it has selected a certain portion of the image and certain portion has been cropped. So let's learn how to fix that. For that, we will first click on this done check mark, and after that we will activate this cropping tool again. So click on that, and when you click on cropping tool, you will notice that currently the style is selected as cane burns. So we need to disable cane burns and click on fit option. That will simply fit the image on the top of video layer, and once that is done, click on this done check mark, and you will notice that the image is complete now. That is, no any portion of the image is being cropped. But still there is one issue with this image, that if we click on here on the video layer and then play the video for preview, you will notice that the image comes and goes away. So that is because the image has been placed for a certain percentage of the video. Now in order to fix that, we will simply drag the image to the entire video like this and drag it from this end as well. And once that is done, you will notice that the image will be watermarked on the video like this throughout the entire video. And by the way, if you want, you may also make further adjustments to this watermark logo. Simply click on the image layer, and once the watermark image layer has been selected, click on this overlay tool, and then you can drag it like this to put to any area or corner where you want to put it. Or you can also get the arrow to the corner section and then drag it to increase or decrease the size like this, and simply adjust it by playing around. And once you are okay with the design and watermark logo, click on this done check mark, and that will be saved as watermark logo. So this is how you watermark videos and add a logo watermark to videos in iMovie. And by the way, if you want to learn how to put two videos side by side in iMovie, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.